My name's Julie and I live at Wivenhoe Pocket, west of Brisbane. The driving factor behind my looking for someone to re-roof our house was we had a really bad hail damage in October 2020, and a friend of mine recommended certified roofing. The reason that we chose certified roofing was I had a friend who recommended them. I had no idea where to start, and she referred certified roofing because she had some dealings with them many years ago. So I got onto the website and had a look and called Mick, and he came out and we went from there. The experience with certified roofing was right from the beginning, from when Mick came out to do the quote, to dealing with the administration staff, to Dave, the project manager. It was all pretty smooth sailing, and they were really busy at the time because of the extensive hailstorm we had over Brisbane. And Mick was great. He came out himself to do the original quote. And I just found he was such a down-to-earth sort of guy and just easy to get on with. Yeah, just had a good feeling about him, and everything went very well. I would highly recommend certified roofing. From, like I said, the whole process just went so smoothly. And the guys that did the roof as well, I mean, they're here for a few days, and really, they left the place pretty clean as you could after a big job like that. So happy. The quality of the roof speaks for itself. A lot of the other tradesmen we had that came in afterwards, like the people that put the solar panels on and the solar hot water, they even commented on the quality of the job. So we're pretty happy with that.